you guys, welcome back to Harper Living, and today we are outside in my garden. It's not a very big garden, it's a smaller garden, but it is perfect for me and my family, and I use it every single day. So I have all my herbs in this planter and then all my veg in that one. So I have carrots, turnips. I don't even know what I have. Honestly, I just bought stuff and planted it, and now I have to forcefully make myself a salad because otherwise I don't eat it. So that's why I grew a lot of lettuce. So come with me, let's pick it, let's harvest what I've grown, and let's use it in a salad today. This salad, it's really just, I'm going by the seat of my pants, and I'm just gonna use whatever I got.
This kind of looks like a romaine.
You're asking the wrong person. Like, I don't know what any of this is. I don't even know if this is weeds. We're probably gonna just be eating weeds.
It's good.
Okay.
I'm like dressing on it.
Yeah. That, my friend, I could do. Oh, this looks really good.
This is what's up.
Yeah.
What even says right there? There's a name card on this side.
Yeah, I know. I put it on there, right? What is it? It's a butterhead lettuce. Boom. Butterhead lettuce. So then we need, oh, come this way. Look at this. Oh, is this a weed? No. Look at this. Look how many radishes I have.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah. This is what you're supposed to do, shake off the...
You're doing great.
Okay, we're gonna need some parsley,
Parsley,
and then a lot of cilantro. So we're an Indian household, and we love cilantro. We eat it all the time, so that's why I have so much of it.
Cilantro.
It has a lot of cilantro.
Look at that.
Oh, smells delicious. I do have a few things inside. I think I'm gonna throw some cherry tomatoes, which I've grown, but they just haven't harvested yet. And I'm going to maybe add in a cucumber. We'll see how it goes, you know? Let's go do this.
Let's go.
Let's go do this, you guys. This is all, I'm so proud of myself. Really am. So this is just a little behind the scenes. I just really like to thoroughly wash my stuff. I mean, I just rinse off the dirt. It's not like I'm cooking, I'm growing my veg out there with manure or pesticides or fertilizer or anything like that. So it's just regular soil. Okay. Throw everything in. We're good to go. I think it's really important to have a good salad spinner. Mine's old, it's from IKEA, but hey, it does the job. And it leaves me with dry salad every time. And that's what I want. I don't like wet salad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump that into my bowl. Can you believe this? This is all ours. Love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off anything that I don't want in there, like that. Maybe just tear some of these pieces with my hands. Take up my radishes. We're gonna chop those up in a second. And well, before we go ahead and assemble the salad, I'm gonna go ahead and make a really easy dressing. So the dressing I'm making is cilantro based. So if you don't like cilantro, maybe this is not a recipe for you, because some people, when they eat cilantro, they taste soap. I am the opposite of that. We're an Indian household. We love cilantro. I put cilantro on everything. I love it. So you don't want to use the stems. We just want the good leafy pieces. So the big stemmy chunks of stem, you just want to get rid of that. If you want the full recipe, it is going to be on Harper Living. So all you have to do is go ahead and go and download the Harper Living recipe. You can start your own online ebook or even print it out and start your Harper Living recipe yourself. I like to print mine out, and I have it stacked away there, and it's in a little book. But I'm not going to really measure anything. I'm just going to eye it because I've made this recipe twice now, and it's one of my husband's favorite dressings. So I'm just going to shove this just like that in my little blender. Then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So we got our cilantro in our jar. We're gonna do, the recipe calls for 1 clove of garlic. I love garlic, so we're gonna put 2 cloves of garlic in there. Normally I put a whole head of garlic in there, but we won't do that this time. We'll keep it close to the recipe as I possibly can. Okay, we're gonna put 1 jalapeno in there, and with the jalapeno, you just wanna take the seeds out. I'm gonna grab a spoon here and just check it out. Goes in there, super easy. You want the juice of 2 limes. So I'm just gonna crush my lime here.
Why do you do that?
Because then it's easier to get the juice out afterwards. Otherwise, you're squeezing it, you know, with your hands. This way, you just do this and it just comes pouring out. See, look, I'll show you. Super easy. Oh my God, this is a dry lime. No, it's good.
Do you have the
I do.
squeezer thing?
I think I do. I actually have a professional, like a full, no, like an actual machine. It's down there, it's huge.
This will be alright. Just squeeze the other one in there. I believe in you.
Whatever, I'll just do it.
It'll be alright.
Yeah.
It's doing it. There's juice.
There's lots of juice.
Oh, yeah.
There's lots of juice. Okay, let's get our honey. So we need 1 tablespoon of honey. We'll just eye it. Honey is always good. Honey never hurt anyone.
No, honey's really good.
Yeah. Yeah. And you make lots of friends with honey, so add more honey. Let's get the Greek yogurt. Do whatever one you have on hand, as long as it's plain. Once I made this with a vanilla flavored, didn't turn out good. No, I wasn't really paying attention. So I would say about a 1/2 cup of yogurt. Add a little bit more in there. And then our olive oil. This is olive oils, and this one is just garlic extra virgin olive oil.
Where do you find it?
Olive oils.
I mean, like what store?
Olive oils.
You just got online?
No,
I don't know.
in White Rock, there's tons. This is like a brand.
Okay.
Yeah, there's tons. There's some in Guildford.
Okay.
It's just a store that sells olive oil and balsamic vinegar and just like things like that.
High quality.
High quality olive oil. I love this stuff. Okay, so let's do a 1/4 cup. Just gonna measure because I can never measure with liquids. Okay, and some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use some pink Himalayan salt and some pepper. Okay, so let's stick on the lid and blend this up. Yeah, that's not working. Hold on. Maybe I need more olive oil.
Maybe a little bit more olive oil and give it a good shake.
Yeah. Why don't we pulse it? Hold on.
Sometimes you gotta give it a little love.
Come on, you could do it. You could do it.
There.
This is what it's supposed to be like. I think that's good.
That looks great.
That looks delicious. So what I usually do is I make a whole bunch of it and then I store it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. I mean, this will be good. And Sue usually eats this throughout the week. And look, now you have some creamy salad dressing and it's delicious.
That was awesome.
Mm-hmm. Let's try some.
Yeah, you can get like 2 or 3 or more sort of servings out of that.
The kick of the jalapeno, you could taste the honey, is so delicious. Delicious. All right, now let's make our salad. I'm just doing a loose hand tear of the lettuce. I just don't want really big pieces, but then I also don't want this finely chopped. Like, look how beautiful that is. All right, so what do you want in your lettuce? That's completely up to you. So I'm going to, for my salad, just put some of our radishes. So I'm gonna chop those up.
Those are beautiful. Those are right from the garden.
Right from the garden, and I bet you they're delicious because I had one the other day and I was like, oh.
Can I try one?
Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me give you a little
Yeah,
piece.
yeah, yeah.
That one doesn't look good. This one
Good.
looks great. Here, try that.
So big, dude. Give me just a slice. That's great.
I've always loved them, as a child even. I know, what child likes radishes? Weird ones. Me.
Those are actually, that's really
Really good.
Oh my gosh. It's not too intense either.
No, put that on there. Maybe we could do an avocado, a cucumber.
Just slicing dollars.
Yep. Dollar bills, y'all. Let's just make sure I don't take my 90s nails off. Oh, this cucumber's life too. You want to try that?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna put some avocado in there, maybe half an avocado. We could do green pepper as well. I mean, red pepper. I think red pepper would give it a nice color, or we could just do cherry tomatoes. It's completely up to you. I'll do the tomatoes.
I think tomatoes would be a nice.
Yeah.
It didn't used to be.
Really?
When I was a kid, tomatoes always were weird to me. I think it's more the texture than anything. Now I just love them.
I love them too. Okay, tomatoes. Let's cut these up.
Yeah, just halves, eh?
Just halves.
Nice, fun, chunky salad.
This looks beautiful, and I bet you it's gonna taste just as good. That dressing is pretty awesome. Do you have soapy taste to cilantro?
I'm somewhere in the middle. I know that there's people that love it, and I know that there's people that hate it. And I've grown to like it more, and I think I'm somewhere in the middle.
Okay, got it.
But I definitely don't have the whatever gene that makes it taste like soap. But I may be aware that it's a little bit like bitter or chalky kind of, but it doesn't. I like it.
You like it? Okay.
I like it.
Love it and
all
love
sorts of
it.
things.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna throw some feta on here.
Beautiful. This looks like a herb feta just pre-crumbled.
Yeah, it is.
Simple. Save
Simple.
yourself some time.
Save yourself some time. Herb feta. Crumble it. It's already crumbled. And now we are just gonna toss this with our dressing. This is the
Like
best.
a quarter or half
Yeah.
a cup kind of thing.
Yeah, it's how much you want. I'm a dressing person. I love dressing. Easy peasy. Okay, that should be good. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and give this a good toss. And it really helps if you have a large bowl to do this in. I love large bowls. Like, look how pretty this looks. This is actually a Harper Living bowl, and it is available on our website. It is it is handmade, and a good friend of mine who is a local artisan made it, and he lives in White Rock, and this all of his bowls are made but with driftwood that come up to shore. So it's all local wood, reclaimed wood, and our salad tongs are also on our website as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a try. Let's see what it tastes like. A little bit of feta, a radish. Oh, too much. Cool, here, let's give you a try too.
Sure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God, this is so good. Honestly, it just needs a little bit more pepper. It is so refreshing, so light. You could eat so much of this and you still wouldn't feel like it's overly heavy. And even though there was so much cilantro in that dressing, it's not overly cilantro-y. It is actually so light and refreshing. This is delicious.
This feels like something would be a great salad with like a very rich, like a steak or something.
Yeah.
It's like a mushroom.
Like
anything rich that this would complement. So
yeah. So today, because I have so much of this, and because I made this dressing, I'm gonna actually just fry up some prawns. Yeah, I'm just gonna make some tiger prawns, put them on the side or on top of the salad, and this is what we're having for dinner. This was delicious. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And stay tuned for more recipes. I can't wait to keep filming for you guys. And leave a message, leave your comments, and remember to go ahead and download the recipe. Thank you guys.